The best features of ChartGPT. 1. Easy to use. The ChartGPT user interface is designed to be intuitive and easy to use. It has a clean, modern look and feel and is suitable for both novice and experienced users. 2. Drag and drop functionality. ChartGPT allows users to drag and drop objects onto the graph to quickly and easily create a visual representation of their data. 3. Multiple chart types. ChartGPT offers many different types of charts, such as line, bar, pie, and scatter plots. 4. Customizable templates. ChartGPT offers customizable templates to help users quickly create their own charts. 5. Graphical data exploration. ChartGPT allows users to explore their data visually and interactively. They can filter data, change chart type, and apply various formatting options. 6. Data integration. ChartGPT can import data from various sources, including text files, databases, and spreadsheets. 7. Data analysis. ChartGPT includes various analytical tools to help users draw meaningful insights from their data. 8. Visualization tools. ChartGPT offers visualization tools such as heat maps, tree maps, and bubble charts. 9. Advanced charting. ChartGPT offers advanced charting features, such as chart grouping, data labels, and trend lines. 10. Mobile accessibility. ChartGPT is optimized for mobile devices and can be used on iPhones, iPads, and Android devices. 11. Collaboration tools. ChartGPT allows users to share and collaborate on their charts with other users. 12. Export capabilities. ChartGPT allows users to export their charts to various formats, including PNG, JPEG, and PDF. 13. Annotations. ChartGPT allows users to add annotations to their charts to further explain their data. 14. Integration with Microsoft Office. ChartGPT can be used with Microsoft Office applications, such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. 15. Customization options. ChartGPT offers users various customization options, including color, font, and size. 16. Advanced chart filtering. ChartGPT allows users to filter their charts by various criteria, such as data points, categories, and timeframes. 17. Customizable dashboards. ChartGPT can be used to create custom dashboards that allow users to quickly view their data in a single place. 18. Data security. ChartGPT offers advanced data security features, such as user authentication, data encryption, and role-based access. 19. Advanced analytics. ChartGPT offers advanced analytics tools, such as predictive analytics and machine learning. 20. Integration with third-party applications. ChartGPT can be integrated with various third-party applications, such as Salesforce and Google Analytics. Thank you for watching.